Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to archive chat on Telegram. So if you want to archive chat on Telegram, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to open the Telegram app. Now to archive a chat, then you just have to swipe to the right of the particular chat. All right, so swipe to the right, for example. So this particular now, all right, you can see that. So that's it. So to archive the chat, you just have to slide to the right, then tap on archive. So this can help you get rid of unwanted message on your chat list for a while. Maybe you have someone that is annoying you with chat and you don't want to see the chat, you can just put a person in archive. And that's a step-by-step guide on how to archive a chat on Telegram. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.